most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and good now. Because many of people asking me today, like the many of people comments now, please making about this game video like the AZ rewards. So this is the everything so much easily this game, and please always to be supporting me and like my videos because I'm more helping to you every time every day. So I hope you will be completely watching my video. So guys, I will be click him and like be easily to be 1000 coins collect now. So how to be you will be collect 1000 coins. So this is the everything so much easily. Not only I repeat to you the end of watching this video, you will be easily understand how to complete to be this game, like how to complete to be collect 1000 coins. So I hope you will be enjoying my video. So please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game and I will be explain you how to be complete to be these games. Like this is the more interesting game because many of people sometimes not to be understand. I will be completely helping to you. You will be easily to understand how to complete to be these games. So guys, this is the real application and they give you earnings on the Amazon, Steam, Google's. So everything so much easily not to be have any problem. So I will be requesting you will be end of watching this video and completely I will be guide to you. Okay, so I will be show you all of Nvidia how to be collect like be playing this game. This is the options for earnings. They all about I will be making video on my YouTube channel. You will be complete to be this task and then you will be easily earn your coins because this game I will be making video all about. You checking this is so much easily don't know to be any have problem, and because why I will be making video all of options about an offer Toro. I will be explaining you all of options about how to be collect this easily coins, but I give you one of the best options. Then you will be just only they using and you will be easily to more collect easily coin because just I will be show you all of offers. Then I will give you one of the select for you options. The all of the options you will be completed to be survey games. So then you will be also to be complete these games, but I give you this is the best and best for your options because if you playing this game and you will easily like be complete this task. But how? You click on this option accept now. Okay guys, let's check this game like we have 25 levels. So if you complete to be this 25 levels, so then you will be earn 25 coins. Okay, 25 25 25 25 100 100. Okay, and then you will be also this game many options available now, and you will be complete to be this all of 25 levels. So then you will be easily coins, then you will be easily like earn coins because many of people sometimes not to be telling to you how to complete to be this task, but I will asking you will be only using playtime offer games and just only completing your task 25 levels complete now, and then easily to complete to be this game. Okay, so you will be checking 1 2 3 4 100 coin 1 2 3 4 200 coin you will be easily on under 1 hour. You will be completed to be this all of games complete download and you will be complete 25 levels you will be easily earn coins. 1 2 3 4. So 300 coins you will be easily, if you playing these games and under 2 hours, you will be easily to be all of games 25 levels complete now, and then per levels they give you one of coin. So you will be easily complete to be this task and earn more coins, because many of people sometimes not to be telling to you, but this is the best option for you earning and collect, you will be easily coins. And last option I will be show you many leaks. Okay, this is the also be option surveys. You checking now like with 20 or 50 minutes, 20 25 50 minutes you will be complete to be survey, then you will be easily earn coins, and they all of games I will be making video. So guys, this is the everything so much easily now, and because I'm making all about these games videos, so you will be never be afraid, because I will be completely helping to you, and please you will be the complete now this task easily everything, not to be any have problem for you. Checking now, this is the all of game so much easily, and step by step one of the game download and complete the task, and then you will be easily earn coins and complete your task. It's checking now. Glato, Panda task, they all of everything so much easily now. Last options like be fiber, so you will be know like we offer what is this, and they all of games quiz surveys everything available now, and you will be completed now, and you will be easily to be complete to be this game task and collect your quiz and receiving your rewards. Okay, so thank you so much for you watching my video. Love you guys, thank you so much.